Hi everyone, my name is Varsha and welcome to Study with Varsha. So by seeing the image itself, you people get to know that today I am going to cover the topic that is RabbitMQ. Okay, that is RabbitMQ, RMQ you can say. So before jump into the topic and we'll discuss the technical terms, I'm just trying to explain this topic in real basis example so that you will understand what is RabbitMQ. So see, imagine what we can say. You just one second, yeah, you just booked a cab on a ride handling app or like Uber, or Ola. As soon as you hit confirm, right? What happened? The booking service stores your ride details. The payment services charge your card. The notification service alerts the nearest driver, and the email SMS sends you a confirmation. Now, think about what would happen if each of these services had to talk directly to each other. It would be got messy, slow, and error prone. That's why where RabbitMQ comes in. It's like a reliable post office for your application. Each service just drops message in RabbitMQ, and RabbitMQ makes sure the right service picks it up and the right time, reliable and asynchronously. So I think in this video I'll show you how AWS RabbitMQ, or you can say Amazon MQ, works, how it handles messaging between services, and why it's so powerful for modern cloud applications. So, without wasting the time, comes and we'll discuss the things and then we'll see the practical. So, first thing is that AWS RabbitMQ or Amazon MQ detailed, and here I write teaching notes, so no need to write introduction. So, in modern application, see, for example, multiple services often need to talk with each other. Just before I give one example, okay, like how you are getting a payment, and rider are getting notification, all these things I have discussed. Now, see, so another example. So I'm leaving this for now. Solution. Now for a solution, use a message broker. This I'll discuss, so I'm not going to do this. Now, what is RabbitMQ? Because I took already in another example. What is RabbitMQ RMQ? So it is a open source message broker that supports AMQP protocols. Okay, that stores message in a queue until consumer process them. Allow asynchronous communication between services. RabbitMQ is like a post office. Okay, so producer drop later and consumer pick them up when it will get ready. So in the same way, RabbitMQ will work. What is the key component of RabbitMQ? That is producer. One producer will be there. They will send message to RabbitMQ, like we are booking the Ola cab. So we are the producers. We are sending them. Consumer, who means the driver who receives the message from the queues. Queue, store message until consumed. That is the application. Exchange routes message to queue based on rules. See, they are giving all the notification. Direct exchange, exact match routing, like nearby driver picked. Topic exchange, pattern based routing. Fanout exchange sends to all queues. Header exchange, routing based on message header. Binding, relationship between exchange and queue. Acknowledge, like confirm message is processed, prevents loss. And durability, message survive broker restarts. Why we use RabbitMQ? So it will decouple services, independent scaling and development, and it will ensure reliable delivery. Like see, Ola also reliable delivery is na. Messages are not lost. Support asynchronous processing, faster apps. scalable, multiple consumer can process message in parallel, support multiple protocols, okay, AMQP, MQTT, STOMP, TTP, HTTP, and integrates easily with microservices and cloud applications. Now, AWS RabbitMQ features we will discuss. So, features means good things, what the things it will do. So, managed service, that is very, like before intro only I gave example. So if that RMQ will be not there, it will be very tough for us to manage the things. So managed service, AWS handles installation, patching, failover, all thing will be taken care by AWS. You no need to worry, and it will be highly available because it have a multi-ability zone brokers, automatic failovers, sources it have VPC deployment, so it will be very secure. You know VPC, only it is very secure, so it is taking VPC wala. TLS encryption will be there, IAM access control is there, monitoring for monitoring it is giving CloudWatch metrics, broker logs, and for scaling, like if traffic will come, it automatically increase the size or adds the nodes. Now we have to understand architecture overview, how it look like. See, one producer will be there that will exchange the query, and it automatically come to the consumer. Producers never know the consumer. They just push message to the exchange. Exchange routes message to the queue, and consumers will pull the message from the queue asynchronously. And multiple availability zones brokers ensure highly available. Real time example, if you are taking, that already discussed. So that's it for today's class. If you people have any doubt, do comment in the comment box, and I'll try to help you all. So thank you for watching Study with Varsha. Have a nice day.